Plants may seem passive, but they are constantly interacting with their surroundings. While they don't speak our language, they have their own fascinating ways of communicating. Plants use chemicals, sounds, and other signals to exchange information with each other and their environment. This hidden world of plant communication is essential for their survival and the health of entire ecosystems. Imagine a forest as a bustling city full of life and activity. Trees, shrubs, and even tiny seedlings are constantly sending and receiving messages. These messages, often invisible to our eyes, help plants find resources, defend themselves against threats, and even support their neighbors. Understanding how plants communicate can teach us a lot about the interconnectedness of nature. Just as humans rely on communication to build communities, plants have developed their own intricate systems for interaction. By learning to recognize these signals, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and intelligence of the natural world. One of the most important ways plants communicate is through chemicals. These chemical messages, often released into the air or soil, can travel long distances, carrying vital information to other plants. Think of these chemicals as invisible messages in bottles, carrying news throughout the plant world. For example, when a plant is attacked by insects, it can release chemicals that warn nearby plants of the danger. These warnings allow neighboring plants to activate their defenses, such as producing bitter compounds that deter herbivores. This chemical communication helps protect entire plant communities from outbreaks. But it's not just about defense. Plants also use chemicals to attract beneficial insects like pollinators. Flowers release sweet scents that attract bees and butterflies, ensuring the plant's reproduction. Through these chemical conversations, plants demonstrate their ability to manipulate their environment and ensure their survival. While chemical communication is well documented, recent research suggests that plants may use other forms of communication like sound and electrical signals. Some scientists believe that plants can emit and detect subtle sounds, like clicking noises from their roots. These sounds, though faint, could potentially carry information about nearby resources or threats. Furthermore, there's growing evidence that plants use electrical signals to communicate within their own tissues. These signals, traveling through specialized cells, might help coordinate growth, resource allocation, and responses to environmental changes. Imagine a network of wires running through the plant, carrying messages from leaf to root and back again. Although research on these alternative communication methods is still in its early stages, it opens up exciting possibilities. If plants can indeed communicate through sound and electrical signals, it would add another layer of complexity to their already impressive communication skills. Section 4: A network of life, plant communication and ecosystems. Plant communication is not just a fascinating curiosity, it plays a vital role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. Just as a city relies on communication networks for its smooth functioning, ecosystems depend on the intricate communication between plants. By sharing information about threats, plants can collectively defend themselves against pests and diseases, preventing widespread outbreaks. This cooperation helps maintain biodiversity and ensures the survival of countless species within the ecosystem. Moreover, plant communication facilitates the exchange of resources. For instance, some plants form underground networks through their roots, sharing nutrients and water with their neighbors. This sharing is particularly important in harsh environments where resources are scarce. Section 5: The astonishing world of plant communication. The world of plant communication is full of surprises. What once seemed like passive organisms are now revealed to be active communicators, constantly interacting with their environment and each other. Through chemicals and possibly even sounds and electrical signals, plants have developed complex systems for exchanging information. Understanding these communication networks is crucial for appreciating the interconnectedness of nature. Plants are not isolated individuals, but rather active participants in a vibrant web of life. By recognizing the sophistication of plant communication, we gain a deeper understanding of the natural world and our place within it. As we continue to explore the hidden language of plants, we are sure to uncover even more astonishing examples of their communication skills. The silent world of plants is anything but quiet. It's a bustling hub of information exchange, essential for the health and survival of our planet.